Well, good morning everybody. It's a pretty nice day outside, and it's another good day to start part 2 of this journey of your vaults. So, last time we did safety vault, speed step, and speed vault. Today, we're going to be doing 2 more other vaults. So, the first vault we're going to be starting with is called the turn vault, and if you know what a 180 is, it's basically half an entire spin over the obstacle. So let's go over here and do this. So first of all, you want to start with the right foot, then the left foot, and now here's a little bit of a difference. You're going to be doing a 180, so there's got to be something with your hands that's going to make you turn. So here's what. This hand first, and face your hand like this, turn it to the left like this, all the way till it goes like that, and bend it like that to go in this position. And now you just want to place this hand regularly right here, and now I want you to kind of just move this a little bit to the right, because you'll probably see what happens. And now what I want you to do is you're going to go into it, and you're going to kind of boost with 2 feet. In 3, 2, 1. And you're just going to hang off the bench, kind of pretending you're hanging off a skyscraper. Alright. And so, now that you know how to do the turn vault, and you've gotten kind of used to it, and you're going to get more into spinning, we're going to be heading to the next one, which is called a reverse vault, also known as a vault that you take a 360 off of. Which means, going over here, we're going to use the same legs, and now, same thing with this hand, turn it to the left, bend it like that, and now there's going to be something different with this hand. You're going to be turning a little more, so it's going to make sense in a minute. Turn it to the left, like that, too, and turn it like that. It was a little difficult for me for doing this at first, but here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's do that vault one more time. So remember, use your right feet, turn all your hands to the left, and boom, do the 360, and there you go. Oh, also, just something to say, I have a brother who is the closest to my age, and his name's Levi, and he really likes this vault. It's his favorite one. Alright. So, like I said, we were going to do 2 vaults for this video, but since this is probably going to take a little bit, we're going to turn this into a whole video, but just real fast. That's my friend over there, his name's Odwin. Alright, the next vault we're going to be heading into is called the Lazy Vault. Levi had a little bit of trouble with this one, and he's starting a little bit on this. This time we're going to go on the side of the obstacle. This is going to be similar to like the speed vault technique, where you go over here, put the closest hand on top of this, and then you put the obstacle foot here, and so you got those steps. And now, if you ever wanted to go like smoothly with this vault, you could smoothly just tuck your legs like this, just go forward, and then kind of lean like this, so you can, have your legs swinging over it. So here's what I mean. There you go. And so yes, it will take a little getting used to, because this is probably one of the easy vaults that I used to do, and so you'll get used to it. Alright, now the next one, since we're right here, is also going to be a vault to the side. That's going to be called the Thief Vault. Just wanted to make sure you're hearing me clearly. Thief Vault, which means this time it's a little different. We're going to be starting with the closest leg this time. And this one goes like this. kind of the same motion as this one when it bends. Makes it look like it's a little illusion, like you're standing on the bench like this. But here's what I'm talking about. This one's a little mixy, so here we go. Pretty smooth. And now, yes. There you go. And now, the next vault we're going to be doing is going to be back to the front right here. And this one's called the monkey vault, also called cat pass or kung vault. And what you're going to be doing is, you're going to be using the exact same feet position as you used for both reverse vault and turn vault. It's basically going to be like a cat that passes the obstacle with his hands, like that. Which means, you guessed it, we're going to be using this. 2 hands. Normal position. And I kind of want you to just lift your hips up so that you're kind of in a straight position. Don't want to lean too much or you might actually lean too much to the ground. This one's a bit hard to do. And it's kind of hard for me to do. I don't always do it. But here we go. This one. So there you go. It's, yeah, like I said, it's a little difficult to do. Here's a trick that will probably help you with this one. What you can do is, the more closer you get to it, the more you can dive like this. And your chest is close to the obstacle on the top. Then you can, yeah. So yeah, that's just a little suggestion to help you with it. Alright, now we're going to go back to the vault to the side. And this one is my favorite one, so this one is called the Rocket Vault. I'm pretty proud of this one, it's pretty cool. I kind of learned this one in a game called Vector. It's a parkour game. If you guys know it, then cool. So you probably know what I'm going to be doing right now. Just going to know how to do it, but just like this. Yeah, it's basically when you do like the lazy position, like this, just that, I got it. And the only difference is, it's not this time, it's up like that. Now you don't want to get too close to the obstacle to do this, like if you go too close, then you'll probably, you know what I'm saying. Alright, so just remember, if you have a little bit of trouble with this, kind of having your flexibility with your legs going straight up, then you can use these stretches. Alright, before we get into the how to do it, I think you probably already know. And now, the first one is just going to start like this, and going down like that. Usually I use this stretch for beginning my runs. It's pretty useful because it also kind of flexes the legs. Here's one similar to this, where you can just grab legs and just pull in as much as you can. Alright, one more, it's going to be in the grass. Lay down like this. There's going to be 2 of these. Lay down, straight legs. They just want to reach. It's basically like that last stretch, but you're just laying on the ground. Okay. And then you have to do that leg stretch on your hamstrings. And now, it's going to be a little bit different one where you split them. Probably seen this stretch before. Now I want you to reach for it, just stretch, and kind of have this leg as straight as possible. Now go to the other one. Try to at least do each of them for about 15 seconds. There we go. Alrighty. Thank you all for watching part 2 of this video. I will be showing some combinations of these vaults soon in future videos. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And as soon as I get to that next video, I better see you guys trained because these vaults are a little hard to get used to. I'll see you guys next time.